Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Fortnite launcher. Sign in and load the game so you're sitting in the main lobby. Once the lobby is visible, move your cursor to the play button area and locate the game mode selector. It's usually just above or beside play. You must not auto-join any match. Staying in the lobby keeps mode options available. Make sure you're on the correct platform profile and party. Crossplay or party leaders can change available modes, so confirm you're the leader before moving on. Once done, click the mode drop-down to reveal Creative, Battle Royale, Arena, limited time offerings, and playlists. You then pick the specific playlist or enter a custom island code. Type it exactly and press Accept. If you want private matches, switch to custom matchmaking and enter the key. Make sure party size matches the mode's limits. Also adjust map rotation, squad size, and rules here. If you're hosting, set permissions so others can join. If joining, confirm the host has shared the code or invited you. You're at the finish line. Double-check your selected mode, playlist, party size, and any custom match key. Once satisfied, press play to queue or start if you're in a private session. Invite teammates now and confirm their readiness. Use party voice and chat settings so everyone coordinates. If the mode won't appear or the match won't start, relaunch Fortnite, rejoin or recreate the party, and clear temporary cache. This fixes most sync and UI issues. If problems persist, verify server status or update the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.